Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change notification sound on Android 2025. Let's begin. First we want to go to settings. Then in the settings you want to go into sound and vibration. Here scroll down a little until you will see default notification sound. You want to click on it, and as you can see currently it is set to jackpot. We can enable some sound so we can see the difference. But let us get full on notification sounds, and now we can test a different sound. For example, let's go to retro riffs and let's switch from jackpot to portal. Pretty cool. Let's hit save, and yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.